The Lamborghini Huracan, named after a famous Spanish fighting bull, is as fierce as it sounds. The name Huracan hails from the world of bullfighting, a sport steeped in tradition and valor. This particular bull, known for its courage and strong sense of attack, became a legend in the bull rings of Spain in the late 19th century. And just like its namesake, the Lamborghini Huracan charges with a force to be reckoned with. Its performance is formidable, with power and precision that leave you breathless. It's a design that embodies the spirit of the bull, combining strength and agility in one sleek package. It's a machine that doesn't just move, it charges, it conquers, it dominates. And the design? It's a testament to the bull's force, with lines as sharp as a matador's sword and an energy that's palpable even when it's standing still. With a name like Huracan, it's clear this car is no ordinary machine. Step into the world of high performance with the doors of the Lamborghini Huracan. The doors of the Huracan aren't just doors, they're an invitation to an exclusive club of high-octane thrill seekers. They open upwards, defying gravity much like the car itself when it accelerates from 0 to 60 in just over 2.5 seconds. This is the signature style of Lamborghini, known as scissor doors or Lambo doors in the automotive world. The vertical doors of the Huracan aren't merely for show though. They are as practical as they are stylish. Imagine pulling into a tight parking space with a car parked on either side. With traditional car doors, you'd be playing a precarious game of inches, hoping not to scratch your precious cargo. But with the vertical doors of the Huracan, you can effortlessly step out of your vehicle no matter how tight the spot. But how exactly does this vertical door mechanism work? It's a fascinating blend of physics and engineering. The doors are hinged at the front, near the base of the windscreen, and they open upwards and slightly forwards. This clever design ensures the doors don't take up too much space when opened, and don't interfere with the car's aerodynamics when closed. The doors of the Huracan are also a tribute to the car's namesake. Huracan is the Spanish word for hurricane, and the doors, when opened, are reminiscent of the swirling winds of a storm. It's a subtle nod to the power and fury encapsulated within the sleek aerodynamic frame of the Huracan. Finally, when you close the doors of the Huracan, you're not just shutting out the world outside. You're sealing yourself inside a cocoon of luxury and performance. Inside the Huracan, you're at the helm of a machine that represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, a testament to human ingenuity and passion. The doors of the Huracan are your entryway into a realm of speed and luxury. The wheels of the Lamborghini Huracan are more than just a way to get around. They are a testament to Lamborghini's attention to detail. At the heart of the Huracan's elegant stride, we find the wheels, a marvel of engineering and design. Each wheel is crafted from high-strength, lightweight alloys, seamlessly merging the realms of durability and agility. The choice of alloy, often a blend of aluminum and other metals, provides an ideal balance of weight and strength, reducing the overall weight of the car, enhancing its acceleration, and improving its fuel efficiency. But the wheels do more than just reduce the Huracan's weight. Their intricate design plays a pivotal role in the car's astounding performance. Each wheel is sculpted with precision, designed for optimal aerodynamics. The unique configuration of the spokes, the careful curvature of the rim, all contribute to reducing air resistance as the car zooms down the road. This meticulous design helps the Huracan achieve its incredible speed, all while maintaining the stability and handling that Lamborghini is known for. The wheels also play a crucial role in the car's handling. The larger rear wheels provide better grip on the road, allowing the Huracan to navigate sharp turns with ease. The front wheels, slightly smaller, aid in steering responsiveness, giving the driver a sense of control and confidence behind the wheel. Yet, beyond their functional roles, the wheels of the Lamborghini Huracan are a statement of style. The eye-catching design, the gleam of the alloy, the signature Lamborghini logo at the center, they all speak of an elegance that is integral to the Huracan's identity. Available in a range of finishes from sleek black to polished silver, the wheels offer a touch of customization, allowing drivers to express their personal style. The wheels of the Huracan, an integral part of its allure, combine style and substance in perfect harmony. Rolling on such elegance, the Lamborghini Huracan truly stands as a testament to the adept craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail that defines the Lamborghini brand. The exhausts of the Lamborghini Huracan are not merely functional, they are an auditory signature of this magnificent beast. The exhaust system of the Huracan is a marvel of engineering, designed with precision and an acute attention to detail. Nestled at the rear, the exhausts are positioned high, close to the taillights. This positioning is strategic, reminiscent of race cars and super sports bikes. It's not simply about aesthetics. This high placement reduces the back pressure, enhancing the performance of the engine. But let's delve deeper. The design of the exhausts is not just about positioning. The shape, the size, the materials used, each element is meticulously chosen and crafted. The exhaust pipes are crafted from high-grade titanium, a material known for its strength and resistance to corrosion. This ensures durability, an essential element for a beast that roars with such intensity. Now let's talk about that roar. The sound of the Huracan is unmistakable. It's a symphony of mechanical harmony that resonates with the soul of any car enthusiast. The roar begins as a low growl at idle, a predator waiting to pounce. As the revs climb, the growl transforms into a thunderous roar, a sound that sends a chill down your spine. This is not just a sound, it's a statement. The sound of the Huracan is more than a byproduct of its engine's power and performance. It's a crucial part of the driving experience. It's the roar of the beast echoing through the tunnels and bouncing off the city walls. It's the soundtrack to your drive, a melody that synchronizes with the beating of your heart. The exhausts of the Huracan do more than just expel gases. They create an auditory experience, a roar that is both a warning and an invitation. It's a sound that tells the world, here comes the Huracan. The exhausts of the Huracan are a symphony of power and performance. The picture box of the Lamborghini Huracan is an innovative feature designed to capture the car in its full glory. This isn't just any ordinary feature, it's a portal into the world of the Huracan, a window that frames the exhilaration and raw power of this magnificent beast. You see, the picture box isn't only about documenting the Huracan, it's about documenting the journey, the experience, the thrill of going from 0 to 60 in the blink of an eye. It's about capturing those moments of pure adrenaline, the moments that take your breath away, the moments that encapsulate what it's like to own a Lamborghini Huracan. And it's not just for the owners, it's for the dreamers, the enthusiasts, the ones who yearn to feel the raw power of the Huracan, to hear the roar of its engine, to see the elegance of its design. The picture box of the Huracan is the perfect tool to share the thrill of owning this extraordinary machine. The colors of the Lamborghini Huracan are as vibrant and dynamic as the car itself. Now let's sink into this palette of passion where every shade tells a story and every hue is a testament to the Huracan's spirit. The Huracan comes in a variety of colors, each one carefully selected to enhance the car's aesthetic appeal. From the vivacious verde mantis, a green that takes you back to the heritage of Lamborghini, to the subtle sophistication of grigio lynx, a gray that highlights the car's sleek lines and aggressive stance. Each color is a masterpiece in itself. Then, there's the electrifying Arancio borealis, an orange that captures the energy and excitement of the Huracan. It's like the burst of a sunrise, a color that promises a thrilling ride every single time you get behind the wheel. For those who prefer a classic look, the Huracan doesn't disappoint. The iconic Rosso Mars, a red that speaks volumes of the car's performance pedigree, is a color that never goes out of style. It's the color of speed, power, and passion. The very essence of Lamborghini. And let's not forget the majestic blue Calum, a blue that mirrors the limitless sky. It's a color that adds a touch of elegance and mystery to the Huracan, making it stand out from the crowd. But the Huracan doesn't limit itself to the conventional. There's the daring Viola Parsifal, a purple that breaks the mold and commands attention. It's a color for those who dare to be different, who find joy in the unconventional. Each color of the Huracan is more than just a paint job. It's an expression of individuality, a reflection of the driver's personality. Whether you choose the boldness of orange, the elegance of blue, or the daring of purple, you're making a statement about who you are. The colors of the Huracan are a vivid expression of the passion that drives this remarkable car. So what's your color of passion? The Lamborghini Huracan is more than a car. It's a masterpiece of design and engineering. A striking embodiment of the Lamborghini ethos, from its aggressive, bull-inspired doors that command attention, to its exquisite wheels that roll on elegance. The Huracan's exhausts, an auditory testament to its raw power, emit a roar that's music to any auto enthusiast's ears. The picture box, a visual delight, captures the beast in all its glory, making every moment with the Huracan a cherished memory. And let's not forget the colors. Vivid and passionate, just like the spirit of the bull this car is named after. Each color is a statement, an expression of the driver's personality. From fiery reds to cool blues, The Huracan wears them all with a magnificent flair. The Lamborghini Huracan, a car that encapsulates the spirit of the bull it's named after, is an unforgettable blend of power, luxury and style.